Shine bright up all night whenever.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I would be sharing with you a very quick and easy mehndi green shimmery eye makeup look. This is a beginner friendly tutorial. There is no cut crease in this eye makeup, but I have highlighted the crease line using liquid eyeshadow. This is complex and difficult for beginners, but I'll let you know, I'll guide you how to get this crease line highlight easily done. It's easy, follow the way I tell you and you'll be able to achieve it. The first eyeshadow that I would be picking from this SFR palette would be this sea green. Pat, pat, pat. Move the brush back and forth to disperse the eyeshadow. Move the brush in circular motion for smokiness. Next, to intensify crease eyeshadow, I am picking this eyeshadow. Tap, tap. Apply below first eyeshadow. Move in circular motion to intensify first crease eyeshadow applied. Apply the same on your outer V. Next, I am using Mehndi green eyeshadow on my outer V. Tap, tap. Begin blending. Move the brush in circular motion. Dust the excess. Move the brush in circular motion. Apply on your crease along with outer V. The intensity should be greater on your outer V. Pat a little. Deepen your outer V. Intensity on outer V should be greater. Blend it well with the outer V eyeshadow. Move the brush in circular motion for it to blend with outer V eyeshadow. Next, I am picking the shimmery green eyeshadow. Do not cross your crease line. Keep the Mehndi green eyeshadow within your crease line. Sharpen your crease line. Pull only the mid shimmery eyeshadow towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V eyeshadow. Next, I would be using liquid eyeshadow to highlight my crease line. This is a liquid eyeliner wand, but I am using liquid eyeshadow as eyeliner. Place little on tip of the wand and begin applying. Clean the excess in the wand and place liquid eyeshadow just on the tip of the wand, and the hack here is to place liquid eyeshadow just here, exactly here, and begin applying on your crease line to highlight your crease line. This is a complex process. It is time consuming. Take your time, be patient, and you'll be able to achieve it. It takes practice multiple times. Clean the excess in the wand and place liquid eyeshadow just on the tip of the wand. You'll be able to do it. Next, I'm creating winged eyeliner. I'm outlining my wing. After outlining, I'm filling it.
Shine bright up all night whenever slowing down.
Next, I would be creating pointed inner corner. Pointed inner corner shapes your eye. Eye makeup looks beautiful after creating pointed inner corner. Next, I'm applying kajal on my waterline. I'm using Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. Smudge the kajal on your lower lash line. Use Mehndi green eyeshadow when you're smudging. Third eyeshadow, that which I applied on my outer V. To intensify my outer V, use that eyeshadow when you're smudging here. Next, I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes. Intensify your eyelashes well. When you're coating mascara on your lower eyelashes, use the tip of the wand. And it's done. This is the final look. If you like this tutorial, then please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.